I bet you didn't know you could get the power of Microsoft Office 2019 Pro Plus for just Rs $99.99. Let's dive in. With Office 2019 Pro Plus, you get lifetime access to all the classics Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, just a one-time purchase for everlasting productivity. Imagine working anywhere, anytime, even offline. Whether you're on a plane, at a cozy cafe, or during a power outage, Office 2019 has you covered. No more worrying about internet access. Your work is always at your fingertips, plus it's super easy to use. Create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations with intuitive tools that make your tasks a breeze. Get your work done efficiently and hassle-free. Support ends in 2025, so this is the perfect time to grab your copy. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description or check my bio to get Microsoft Office 2019 Professional Plus for just Rs $9.99. Boost your productivity today.